You're not stuck. This is your journey. You're not stuck in your life. Your life is supposed to be this way. Things are not happening for you. It means that it is not the right time. Imagine yourself and a friend of yours, and you both are getting the same things together. You're like, oh, you're living the same life. Would you want that? Would you want the same life as somebody else? No, you wouldn't. You would want something different. And you cannot even have a same life as somebody else because you are different than your friend. You are different than the people you look up to. And if they achieved something 10 years later, then you're going to achieve something 5 years later, maybe, or 15 years later. But it will come to you. Whatever is meant for you, it will come to you. You're not stuck. This is your journey. You asked for it. That is why you're getting it. Just stop thinking about it so much.